Good morning, friends. I'm Dr. Sanjay, an educationalist. I'm here to present a series of lectures on economics, management, political science, constitution, national movement, current affairs, along with other relevant themes in direct relevance with needs and challenges for upcoming competitive examinations in India. The stress and core of subsequent lectures will be on economy, right from micro to macro perspective, corporate, questions coming from the corporate sector, core sectors of the economy, banking, foreign trade, etc. within our economy and with perspective on the global economy. We are already into globalization, and since 1991 reforms we have been trying, but now we are largely integrated with the world economy, and there has been a saying that the slump in the Indian economy is affecting the other nations as well. So the more fitting term will be financial globalization. We are already a part of it, and the future of the economies will be since we have already seen after the recessions, things has been in turmoil in most of the countries, and we are still recovering from that shock. Most of the nations are recovering from that shocks. European Union, things are very uncertain over there, and the Brexit case is also over there. So the future of the knowledge economy will be based on artificial intelligence, blockchain, bitcoins, etc. and etc. And the things which I want to, and the reason why I'm studying all of these things, because questions are directly or indirectly asked from these perspectives as well. And as of my brief, I'm having a teaching experience of nearly a decade in higher education. I have been internal and external examiner for two state universities. My academic qualifications are PhD, full-time research scholar from Central University. Competitive examinations which I have qualified are UGC, CBSC, NET, NTA, NET Management 2018, yes, NET Economics 2014, and CBSE Political Science 2015. My post-graduation degrees, I have four master degrees, as is MBA Banking and Finance, MA Economics, and MCOM. So the reason we are trying to here for go for a channel. The name of my YouTube channel will be Arthashastra Financial Economics, and my graduation has been BSc with Physics, Mathematics, and Geology. So in addition, I want to also briefly state that I have been invited and participate in various international conferences co-sponsored by like the World Bank, the UNDP, the UN, Millennium Development Goals, and Oxfam India. I mean, I have been to various other conferences. The reason why we are here, specifically the competitive examinations, such as we want to provide an ultimate test to the students for the following competitive examinations. Like UPSC, we are going to teach some other for all examinations, so we are definitely going to focus very closely on this. And then NT and NET paper 1 and paper 2. Here I want to state that students generally ignore paper 1, and the difference between qualifying candidates and not qualifying candidates in paper 2 is not more than 10 to 15 marks. Usually, whatever I have my experience with my own students and the various nets I have given. So if paper 1, if students can work on paper 1, if they can around muster around 10 to 15 to 20 marks, they will definitely an edge. And moreover, net is given for JRF. So if you are having securing a JRF, there is a difference of only 5% between JRF and net. So it is very beneficial. You just give yourself an extra edge, and you should work a little bit harder and try for JRF. And also when it comes to your appointment, and the net scores are also valid for corporate appointments as well. So students are not very well aware of it, but corporates are also hiring on the direct relevance with the score sheet from the net as well. And the IPBS POs, bank clerical, banking awareness, computer awareness, and CA students, we have already seen a lot of protests. The students are saying that their answer sheets are not evaluated as per their merit. So I'm not stating that who is right and who is wrong. I fully understand the concerns of a student, but I would also like to state that the student should also be very carefully presenting, because examiner doesn't have more than a couple of minutes to see an answer sheet, to evaluate an answer sheet. So having said that, thank you for listening. We are looking forward to it, and soon I will be definitely uploading a series of lectures. And thank you very much for listening. Looking forward to your active participation. Thank you so much.